Hello and welcome to the quick video on this thing here. This is the BetaFPV Hexacharger. Now I got this in a little while ago as part of a shipment from BetaFPV that included the beautiful Air 65. They'd updated that, and this came to charge the batteries for that. I've been flying them with these lava batteries, these 320s. These are great for that particular model, but actually I've been flying it my other whoops with them too. Now, until now, I get sent a lot of chargers and bits and pieces. I've actually been using this thing here to charge my batteries. This is a Wi-Fi product. You plug your batteries in as you would normally, kind of into the ports. So, you start off on the 1S, so you pop that in there, and then you put the next one along. So if I'm just charging 2, I would select a 2S battery, and I would plug it into my regular charger and set the charge current. And that has actually worked really fine. You can tell usually when I really like something. It's got the Velcro on the back and it sits on the inside of the door with all the other chargers. However, this now is not what I am using. It's this thing here. This is actually USB-C powered device. You can plug in 6 batteries, you can have everything. But the really cool thing is about this is that unusually for a little device like this, it's actually got a little screen. So you can see exactly what's going on, and it'll tell you what the score is. Now, to actually use it is really, really easy, because what you have is you have a couple of buttons here. This left one, a short press will switch the mode of the voltage, long press will start and stop stuff. The right one will switch the charging current, and a long press will switch the beeper on and off. So let me just plug in a couple of batteries in here so we can charge them. So 1 and 2, there we go, that'll work. So if I zoom in on the screen a little bit, if I briefly press the button on the right, it'll kind of tell you what voltage and what current we're doing. Left hand side, we can either go to storage, regular LiPo, or LIHV, and then we're ready. Just press the button and away we go. And what it'll do, it'll show you what the state of the batteries is. Green, surprise, surprise, is finished. Blue is charging, and purple, it means you've got it set to discharge. So if I plug another one in, it'll immediately pick that up and charge it. Now, this is a great little pocket charger. I don't usually get excited about things like this, but actually this is really kind of become my regular go-to charger for these kind of batteries, because I get the kind of whoop stuff in for a view on a pretty regular basis. So there are 2 versions of this. There's this one, which is the Pro. There's also the standard. The big difference is the charging current that it can do. This one can do 3 amps max on when all ports are in use. 24 watts for the regular one. This Pro version is 78 watts max. It'll do LiPo and LAHV. LiPos, it'll charge to 4.2 volts a cell, or 4.35 volts a cell if it's LAHV. Storage voltage, if you set that, it's going to be 3.85 volts. Discharging current is about 400 milliamps. Not bad. It does have a little fan inside, which means that if it gets warm, it will actually keep itself cool. It's not particularly loud. PD 3.0 for the charger. You're going to need a really good charger for this. If you have a regular wall wart, it probably isn't going to cut the mustard. It needs to be PD 3.0 Type C, and the connectors on this thing are BT 2.0 and PH 2.0. It's 106 by 56 by 25.5 millimeters and weighs about 109 grams. Again, I don't tend to get too excited about stuff like this, but this is the first one of these little pocket chargers for these Whoop style batteries that I am going to keep in my regular rotation. I'm just about to grab a piece of Velcro, put it on the back, stick it on the inside of the door along with all the other chargers, and then when I need some Whoop batteries sorted out, this is the one that I'd recommend you get your hands on. It's not particularly expensive either. This one, which is the Pro version, is just under $30, where the regular one is about $5 less. For the $5, I would probably treat yourself to the Pro, because from my playing here, it's performed flawlessly. So you'll see it in lots of other videos. Any whoop that I get in now is probably going to have his batteries charged on this thing, and this is going to go into my regular rotation and replace that Wi-Fi thing that I've had for ages, because this actually tells me what's going on and allows me to monitor everything beautifully. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.